Alright, October 10th, 2023, Tyler Hayes here, 2118, coming to you from Ladysmith with another video lined up for you for tonight, as I'm near the northern side of Ladysmith Yard. And managed to get my second of the second batch of the new C6M rebuilds that have showed up, and that is what you're looking at right now. The 3328 that you see there. It's the new C6M rebuild that has showed up, as it was running second on the S772 41 of the 6th, as that showed up to Ladysmith since 1505, and I saw it go westbound on the Barons of Maine at 1507. Now here it is resting away here at Ladysmith Yard. And if you can probably barely see over yonder, there is a set of what looks to be MOW cars here. I think two of them almost looks like office cars by look of it. As you can see there. So I'm not sure if those are the Loram type or not, but I don't think they could be. Give you another angle of that, because I'm sure these are probably used for MLW crews more than likely. I think there could be something more about that down there. Oh, how about that? The Loram Rail Grinder is back. That's a surprise. The return of the Loram Rail Grinder. Interesting. How did that get here so fast? But I'm surprised this is probably the different type that decides to show up. But the only exception is I can't make out which one that is. Looks like I'm gonna have to find me another angle to find out. Well, so far, unfortunately, I can't make out the rail grinder number there, but I'm sure that's going to be determined probably in an upcoming video tomorrow. So I have a feeling this will more than likely go on duty tomorrow morning to continue south. So know that rail grinder 405 was here since first week of October. October 5th is when it made the departure. So now I just need to find out what this one is. So in the meantime, we'll have a southbound on the way to end the night that met the M357 that was led by the 3888. Sure, if I find out what rail grinder this one is, as it will make the roll by. Alright, 2147 southbound, get ready to come up to my position at mile 353.88 as it will get ready to blast away for mile 354.39. We have a GEVO delayed on that one more than likely. Just need to find out what this one will be as we lean back again. As we got gate drop. EOS 44 to lead it, wide open. Backing off the throttle. Billy Peel! What's here for? That was 3276 again. CTCX 301 012 and the train device is going. And that'll do it for the M30231 of the 9th. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith. So it is bound for McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. We'll do it for tonight here at Ladysmith. And for the 3912, 3242, and the 3276. How wonderful is that? Thank you guys for watching. Have a great night. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.